We are going to prepare total debtor account, total bills receivable account, total creditor account and total bills payable account. Yes, look at the problem now. From the following, you are required to calculate credit sale and credit purchases. Credit sales and credit purchase we have to ascertain. Particulars, opening information, closing information, debtor, bills receivable, creditor, bills payable. So details relating to debtor, bills receivable, creditor and bills payable are given. So we have to prepare total debtor account, total bills receivable account, total creditor account and total bills payable account. Yes, now I am going to solve this problem. Students, when they ask this 4 ledger, don't try to solve individually. If you solve this problem separately, what happen? It leads to omission or mistake. So try to solve the problem simultaneously. That is, you have to prepare all 4 ledgers simultaneously. Yes, now look at the question. Debtor, opening debtor, closing debtor. So go to debtor account, opening debtor debited to the debtor account, to balance BD, closing debtor, debtor account credited by balance CD. Opening debtor 60,000, closing debtor 55,000. So debtor, opening debtor and closing debtor both are taken. Then bills receivable, opening bills receivable, closing bills receivable. Opening bills receivable, BR account debit, value 5,000. Closing bills receivable, BR account credit by balance CD, its value rupees 1,000. Next, creditor account, its opening balance credited to creditor account by balance BD 25,000. Its closing balance debited to the creditor account to balance CD, how much? 28,000. Then bills payable, it's like creditor only. Opening balance credited to the bills payable account. Closing balance debited to the bills payable account. Value 3,000. Now cash received from debtor, it will be credited to the debtor account by cash. The value 1,30,000. Next, discount allowed. Discount allowed credited to the debtor account. Discount allowed credited to the debtor account, value 5,500. Then cash paid to creditor, it will be debited to the creditor account, cash paid, the value 70,000. Discount earned, discount received from creditor, it will be debited to the discount creditor account. Discount received debited to the creditor account, value 3,500. Then paid for bills payable, it will be debited to the bills payable account to cash, the value 7,000. Cash received for BR, so it will be credited to the BR account by cash. Cash received for BR, how much? 14,000. Next, BR dishonored, very important. BR dishonored is very important because it will affect debtor account as well as BR account. BR dishonored will affect debtor account and bills receivable account. Yes. In total debtor account, BR dishonored debited the value 1,200. So total debtor account to BR, the dishonored value. In BR account, it should be credited as debtor account. Dishonored, the value how much? 1,200. Then bad debts. Bad debts credited to the debtor account by bad debts. Credited to the debtor account 3,500. Then I said first we have to close total bills receivable, find BR received, it should be transferred to the debtor account. Yes, total 16,200, balance 11,200. This should be transferred to debtor account, balancing figure. This is called BR received. It should be credited to the debtor account as BR received. PR receipt value how much? 11,200. The total of this 2,05,200. 2,05,200. Deduct this, you will get credit sales. Deduct the debit value how much? 61,200. You will get 1,44,000. This is answer for as credit sale. Next, total bills payable account we have to close. Yes, total value how much? 10,000. The balance 8,000 that we called creditor. Balancing figure. This we say BP accepted. BP accepted. This should be transferred to debit side of creditor account as BP accepted. Accepted. Value how much? 8,000. This should be transferred to the debit side of total creditor account debit side. The value, total value how much? Already I added 1,09,500. 1,09,500 minus 25,000 will get 84,500. This we called credit purchase. Students, in this problem we learned the preparation of total debtor account, total bills receivable account, total creditor account and total bills payable account. In next class we will solve conversion method with all adjustments. Till then, bye and thank you.